A black lawyer in my courtroom? This should be fun. Laughter echoed through the room, like it was some twisted joke. The opposing counsel chuckled. Even a few jurors smirked. Isaiah Trent, 32, stood in a crisp navy suit at the defense table, jaw tight, eyes forward, both hands gripping the wood like it was the only solid ground in the room. He didn't blink. Then the judge leaned back in his chair, clearly amused. "Tell me, Mr. Trent, did you earn your law degree? Or was it donated to you?" Isaiah's fists clenched beneath the table. His voice stayed calm, measured. "I assure you, Your Honor, I'm more than qualified." The judge chuckled again, shaking his head like this was all some formality. "Let's not waste the court's time. We know how this ends, don't we?" He raised the gavel to dismiss the case, without hearing a single word of defense. But Isaiah didn't flinch. Instead, he reached into his briefcase and calmly placed a thick manila folder onto the bench. "Before you dismiss me," he said coolly, "maybe read this." The courtroom fell silent. The judge raised an eyebrow, but grabbed the folder anyway. He flipped through the pages with casual disinterest. Then, the color drained from his face. The folder detailed decades of corruption, bribery, racially biased rulings, false convictions swept under the rug. Names, dates, case numbers. All of it. Undeniable. "Where did you get this?" The judge stammered, his hands trembling. This is illegal." But before he could say another word, the courtroom doors burst open. U.S. Marshals poured in, suits sharp, badges out, boots echoing. The lead marshal stepped forward, voice booming. "Judge Rayburn Thompson, you are under arrest for judicial corruption." Gasps rippled through the courtroom. One by one, jurors rose from their seats, not in shock, but in silent protest of the man who'd sat on that bench for far too long. The judge looked around, wild-eyed, desperate. "No, wait. This is a mistake," he begged. Isaiah took one step forward. Calm, controlled, deadly serious. "No, Your Honor," he said. "Your career, that was the mistake." The judge was cuffed, dragged down the aisle where he once presided, his gavel forgotten, his power erased. The opposing attorney looked like he'd seen a ghost. But Isaiah, he didn't gloat. He stood tall, grounded, because justice didn't just walk in that day. It had been carried in, page by page, truth by truth, by a man they never saw coming.